To start off this gorgeous design, I'm going to go ahead and apply jelly polishes for the background of this nail. So the first top half of the nail is going to be dark blue, and the second half of the nail is going to be dark teal. You want to apply quite a bit of gel polish. Remember, this is a very long nail and you want it to self-level and even out. To blend both colors, I'm just going to use an ombre brush. Make sure you separate the hairs before use and just float it on top of the part where both colors meet. To achieve a bit more depth, I'm going to repeat the process and start with a second layer by doing the same thing again, applying both colors and then blending them together with an ombre brush to achieve a transition between both colors. It doesn't have to be super perfect because we're going to cover it up anyway, but just blend it so it's nice and even to work with. Once the second layer is applied, we're going to go ahead and apply a layer of milky white gel polish. Now I've added a little bit of white to mine because it was a little bit too ghosty and I wanted you to see the effect better. This layer of milky white is not going to be cured. We're going to drop top coat on top of this uncured layer. The key to achieving this beautiful design is actually not touching the nail with the brush. The only thing that's making contact is the top coat with the uncured layer. If you notice, I'm dropping the top coat carefully onto the nail, placing it nicely so it doesn't spread out in an awkward way. You want to make sure that the drops of a top coat that you drop on that uncured layer are actually circular. You want to make sure they're a nice perfect circle. It doesn't matter the size of the circle, but make sure you drop a nice circular shape. When you do that, it will spread a lot nicely. If you just drop the drops without taking notice of the shape or anything, it will look very weird. A lot of people say that this can't be done on a long nail, but the truth is it can. You only have to notice the way you drop the top coat on that uncured layer. Before curing, you want to turn the nail over, let gravity do its thing, and then go ahead and pop it into the lamp. To finish off, we're going to top coat this bad boy to seal in all of the goodness. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, the viral swimming pool nail art trend. If there's anything else you'd like to see on the channel, please drop me a comment below. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.